Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create clean text highlight strip in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create new canvas. Select rectangle tool from toolbar. Drag a long rectangle behind text area. Now change rectangle color to bright shade. Lower opacity to around 85%. Then select type tool. Type your text to a rectangle. Choose bold readable fonts. Increase font size. Align text center using move tool. Now double click rectangle layers. Add a soft drop shadow. Lower opacity of shadow. Then press OK. Zoom out to check readability. Adjust padding by resize rectangle. Text stands out clearly. Thanks for watching. Your